7 amazing dark chocolate health benefits. Oh, that looks yummy. Thank you. 70% or more cacao chocolate now counts as a superfood, given that fact it boasts huge amounts of antioxidants. Dark chocolate can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 100% dark chocolate can help prevent tooth decay because this type has no sugar. Dark chocolate can protect the skin against radiation from the sun. Don't worry, you eat it, rather than smearing it all over your skin. This chocolate sends a feel-good message to the brain, and can help you to de-stress, relax and, well, feel good. Dark chocolate can help prevent dementia in old age. And dark chocolate can help stop asthma attacks in its tracks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. I wish you the very best of health. I hope to see you again in one of my next videos. Catch you later. I'm going to eat some more chocolate.